this is Fran with Stampendous, and I wanted to show you some of our texture cubes. We have some new designs, and we've had some others that have been around for a long time that are just classics. So if you haven't seen them before, I'd like to show you a couple of things. Here you see there's 4 different designs. The rubber has cushion on each side, so they're a very comfortable stamp to work with in your hand. And you can, let's see, use them a lot of different ways. So let's just start out here with a black ink pad, and we'll ink it up. And I wanted to show you that, you might just enjoy stamping a variety of random patterns. Okay, there we go, from light to dark. But let's say you wanted to make a border pattern out of it. Make your first impression, and let's say we're going to re-ink it each time. When you come to make the second impression, look from the side and try to line it up, and think closer than you might, then further away. Here I'm at a little bit of an angle, but you can see how they can all fit together to make a border pattern. And with a little bit of practice, or maybe a pencil line, you can get exactly what you want to create a border pattern. Your grip with the texture cube is on the sides where the labels are, but you will then probably want to clean off a stamp on another side before using a different side, just to keep it from being all over your hands. If you want to create a continuous pattern, I suggest starting off the edge of your paper, and again, better to overlap than have a big gap. So even when it's not perfect, it's still going to give you a beautiful pattern. And occasionally where you have a gap or a little bit more open area, you might take a pen and simply add some little dots and fill in, and you've got a wonderful and relatively quick background pattern. The Quest design is a new one that really is fun for mixed media, and a new favorite of mine, and we're going to try it out here a couple of different ways. I've got some of these new VersaFine Clair inks that are translucent, and you can see where multiple impressions in some different colors is going to be very fun. So there you can have a lot of fun with the texture cubes and use them all different ways. Here's a beautiful card where the background ink spots were used to look like all the coffee splatters here on this house mouse card.